I got this VE standalone paper towel holder, stainless steel. This is sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can share with you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me see if I can assemble this without instructions. Put your seatbelts on. Let's check this out. All right, this is how it comes in a flat box, just like you see here. Pieces are laid out in a piece of styrofoam, so that's nice. That's nice looking stainless steel. And we've got some little suction cup guys on the bottom. We have a tube and a hole in the bottom. So we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Just going to screw that on. I'm just spinning this around. Tighten it up. And look, we're done. Let's get the paper towels on there. It's a paper towel holder. It works. So one thing I noticed on here right off the bat that it looks fantastic. It is literally suction cupped itself to the desk. I didn't even need any water to do this. Pretty easy to get on and off in there. One thing is it doesn't have a little holder to hold back the paper towel to keep it together, but yeah, that's a personal choice. I got a fan on, so it's actually blowing it around. Yeah, really nice looking device. Super simple to assemble. You just saw me do it. Phillips head screwdriver, screw it on, done in 10 seconds. Put it on your counter, ain't going anywhere. Oh, hey, what's up? If you're looking for an awesome stainless steel freestanding paper towel holder that looks good, suctions to the counter pretty darn good, check out this one by VE. Check it out.